red stripes over Levi number 7 in white noseband, and white and red cross over the rail. Curonio number 6 is pulling a bit right down to the wire. Now has taken the lead. The second, Zuklis Tunga in third, out wide. Number 2, another brick in light blue, left in fourth. Along the rail, Levi in the hands of Dario Vargiu. The second line with Deauville Beach, one of the major contender, mid-pack behind, Tibalcello wider from the rail in sixth, wait for end in the pocket, not too far away from the leading division. Then the second line with Athena Tango in dark black, followed by Shine Victoria, Albi Celeste, and Immortal Warrior are closing the company as they're going to run up to the middle side of the backstretch when Curonio is dictating the pace since the beginning. Outside, Zuklis Tunga is forcing the pace, ridden for more by Mario Sanna. Free wide for Wait for End, then another brick park right behind of them. Very crowded first and second line with Deauville Beach that is trying to run very wider from the rail. Now 3 lengths off the pace. They're going to complete the far bend. Curonio is still showing the way to Zuklis Tunga, Levi, and then Wait for End. Deauville Beach is now ridden for more by Nicola Pinna, trying to make ground with Curonio still out in front. Is trying to lengthen along the rail with less than 1 furlong to travel. The most dangerous one looks to be number 4, Deauville Beach, that now is running from the back under very good looking style. Athena Tango is finishing very strongly, trying to chase the leader with less than 1 furlong to travel. Deauville Beach, Athena Tango, Curonio, and another brick. Deauville Beach on the far side, near side. Athena Tango, they are close to line with Deauville Beach that keeps the lead till the wire over Athena Tango in third. Newcomer by Kodiak, number 2, another brick, 4, 3, 2. The provisional result with Deauville Beach that break its maiden status under the good ride made by Nicola Pinna for Agostino Affè. 4-3-2-8. That's the provisional and fast result. Second race in Pisa Sa Rossore.